Today we're looking at this 2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat in white. Really well looked after vehicle. This only had the one owner. There's a recent trade-in here at the dealership, and it has been crown rust undercoated from new as well. Very well looked after vehicle. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It's not very often you see these Super Duties in this great of shape. You do have reverse parking sensors, does have the reverse camera. You do have the Ford Tonneau cover here as well. And then in the back here, you do have another set of tires and your drop-in bedliner. You also have the step on here as well. And coming around to the interior of this truck, interior is in fantastic condition. Black leather seats, front and back, your Super Duty mats, power outlets in the back there. And then you do have storage underneath these seats, so be sure to check out the first link in the description for that. And coming around the front, you do have your keyless entry keypad here. Power windows and locks, of course, power glass, adjustable and folding telescoping mirrors, which is really cool. Driver's seat memory there, automatic headlights, very comfortable front bucket seats. You do have a sunroof as well, and they are power front seats also. And stepping into the vehicle, it does have 401,000 K on here, but don't let that fool you. This vehicle was very well maintained. And as you can tell just by how it drives and how it looks, you do have your cruise control settings here, and then also your other volume settings here for your center display. Throw it in reverse, there's your rear view camera. And then of course, on the screen here, you do have your heated and AC seats, your different 4x4 modes, your locking rear axle, your auxiliary switches, and your built-in brake controller, all your cup holders, and then storage here, in the lockable center console there. The vehicle will also be fully cleaned inside and out as well for the new owner, and this vehicle is being sold certified. You do have your sunglass holder there, and your controls for your sunroof, and then your universal garage door opener. So a really beautiful truck all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle, I'd love to show it to you. You can reach me at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Take care.